You jump in the air. You're over the rail. Your groove foot is locking in. Your sole foot is a little bit hovering, and it clicks right in. You've got your knees in to create that T with that front foot, right? Knees in, stees in. You know you're steezing when those knees are in. Sounds cheesy, but I keep it in my head. And then you know your feet are right in the line they need to be. You jump in the air, your feet are already in that sole position. Your arms help lift you off. You stare at the lock, and then when you're practicing stalling, your weight is going straight up and straight down. Straight up and straight down. My eyes are not leaving my rail. My eyes are on that rail. I'm watching my feet lock. And adversely, if one of them misses, I'm seeing it happen so I can react in real time. So it's better to not do those blind jumps. Stare at the lock, always. Your weight is centered over your feet, but don't shy away. Don't be scared. See it successfully. Think through the technique, jump with proper form, lock with proper form, see it through to the end. And if you already have it, get it switch and show me, send it to me. Let me know in the comments what you guys want to see for other tutorials. If I can't do the trick, I will find someone who can, and I'll record the tutorial with them. I want to bring you guys everything. All right. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, smash that notification button so you always find out when I put out a new tutorial. Peace, guys.